Hi Dollar Divas, welcome to Behind the Vanity. I'm Jessica. If you're new to my channel, I like to make videos about affordable beauty, beauty on a budget, and when you do decide to splurge and buy that occasional high-end item, I like to help you make the most of the money that you do spend. So if that sounds good to you, you're in the right place. So today's video is actually going to be a Dollar Tree haul. And I haven't had too many Dollar Tree hauls lately, just because my store has just been kind of having some of the same stuff. But I do watch a lot of Dollar Tree hauls on YouTube, so I've been getting really excited about fall, so that's kind of mainly what this haul is, but I do have a couple brand name surprises in the makeup department. So there's that. So if you want to see what I picked up at the Dollar Tree, definitely keep on watching. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and start with the fall decor that I got, and I'm gonna save the beauty items to the end. So I went ahead, they have some I have been obsessed. I only decorate for Christmas and fall. And the last couple years, Dollar Tree has really stepped up in their fall decorations. Like really, they have like the best fall decorations. So I pretty much buy everything for the fall either at the Dollar Tree or I buy it like at the Big Lots at the end of the year and save it for the next year, you know, get on clearance and stuff. But this year they had these cute little owls. I mean, you couldn't make one of these for $1. Like, you know, the materials would cost you more than $1. And look at their little wings. I mean, they're so cute. So I got three. I got two with the orange hats, and then I got one with a green hat. And so I'm thinking I might put these inside like a wreath that I have, or I might just display them. I don't know, but they've got like little strings on them. So if you had like a fall Christmas tree, or you wanted to hang them somewhere, you could. So picked up three of those. They were so cute, you guys. Then I picked up a bunch of pumpkins. What I do is I have this little display of like random pumpkins, and they're all from the Dollar Tree, and no one of them is the same. And I put them on like different levels on this big round wooden thing with like fairy lights and ribbon and all that good stuff, and it's the center of my table. But I feel like you can't have too many pumpkins. Like you can put pumpkins in stuff and on stuff and around stuff, and so I'm a little pumpkin crazy. They had some that were just so pretty. So I picked up two of these, and kind of the cool thing about them is it looks like beads, but they're not. It's like foil, and so it's not glitter that's gonna fall off. And so I got two of these in this color, and they're good size. I mean, my hands are kind of small, but they're a decent size. So I got two of those. Then I got a gold one, because you know you gotta have gold and orange. So I got a gold one of that. Then I got one of these. It's kind of a reddish pumpkin. I got one that's kind of orangey. I got one that's green. And then I got this one that's kind of like a burlap, which is super cute. I love all the different textures and finishes and stuff. I think that's the key to decorating, you know? And then I got this one here. You gotta have a little bit of glitter. So I got this little glitter one right here. So then I kind of had this idea, and I've already made one of these, but I'm gonna make another one. Kind of my own autumn leaf garland. And I need two. I need one. I don't have a mantle at my house, not yet, not until we do all the stuff we want to do to our house, where we will have a fireplace. But until then, our TV is sitting on like a sofa table, and so I'll put like a garland around that. It's kind of makes it feel like a fireplace a little bit. And then I put one over my sink, like on the little bridge, and have it hang down with like lights on it and stuff like that. So I need two. I do this with Christmas garland too. So I already made one of these before, and now I've got the stuff to kind of make another one. So I got 9 of these different like fall leaves. So I got some that are kind of like more like kind of greenish. And then I got some that are like kind of red and orangish. This is 3 of them right here. And then I got some that are a little bit more like yellow, orange. You know, you gotta have a good mix. All about the mix, you know. And that's 2, I think. And then I got these 2. And actually one of these I'm gonna put on my other garland. But I got these because they have little like sparkly ones in there. And so I thought for a little bit of sparkle, that was a good thing. So I got 2 of those. So got a bunch of that. And what I do is they all have this like little, they have these little loops on them, and they have them on each end. So I kind of loop things through and make this like entire garland that's all connected. So yeah, so I'm very excited about that. And then of course I'll have like white lights or fairy lights or something like that in them, and it'll look really pretty, very festive. And then the last few things I bought, I think these little signs, I actually already have a couple of these, and I've paid, you guys know these little like signs cost a good penny. I mean, if you spend $5 on one, that's a lot of money. I think I've gotten them for like $4 or $5 like on clearance from the end of the season. So I think anytime I see them at the Dollar Tree, I pick them up. But these little signs here that, you know, of course you can hang them on the wall, or you can just set them up. And I just thought that one was really cute. They had a bunch of them. So I got one of these. And then I got this one here. I thought this one was really pretty as well. I got a couple of those to add to my collection. And then, okay, so the last couple items are makeup items. So I have been on the hunt. I've commented on some people's Dollar Tree videos that I was on the hunt for this, and I found it. I had to go to a Dollar Tree that was a little further away, but it's a super nice Dollar Tree. So, and I was very surprised that they had a lot of colors. They really had quite a few colors. Probably not on the darkest side and on the lightest side, but they had a lot of that in between, as, you know, Dollar Tree always does. But I did get these. I found the Wet n Wild Mega Cushion Foundation. So I bought 3, and I bought 3 of the shades that I thought could work for me. Let's see, I got Nude Beige, I got Buff Beige, and I got Honey Beige. Honey Beige is kind of a medium tan and it's warm. Buff Beige is like a medium warm. And the Nude Beige is a light medium warm. So I'm thinking like I could always mix them. Thinking I could get away with this one now because I'm tan. And then like Buff Beige and Nude Beige would be for other times of the year or something like that. So I did pick up 3 of those. I think they had more colors than that as well. But I picked the 3 that I thought would work for me. And then they also had this e.l.f. color correcting stick. This is for dark circles and it's for light skin tones. But I thought it would work for me. So I went ahead and picked that up. I've seen where people have found like colors, like green and all that kind of thing of the e.l.f. So definitely wanted to pick that up. So I hope you enjoyed this just kind of short and sweet Dollar Tree haul, kind of showing you some of my fall decorations and a couple of my exciting brand name beauty finds. And if you did enjoy this video, please show me that you liked it by hitting that like button. And also, if you're not already subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. I'm getting closer to 1,000 subs, so every subscriber counts. You all count. So become a Dollar Diva for more videos like this. And share this video with anyone that you think may enjoy it, anyone that loves Dollar Tree videos. I know I do. And so thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye.